In this video, I am going to show you how to install the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your Samsung Smart TV. First, ensure that your TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Start by navigating to the home screen of your Samsung Smart TV. From there, locate the Apps icon, which is usually found on the bottom of the screen or in the main menu. Click on it to open the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function by selecting the search icon and typing IPTV Smarters Pro. After typing the name, press Enter or select the search button. If the app appears in the search results, click on it. Now, look for the Install button on the app's page. Click on it to begin downloading and installing the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your Samsung Smart TV. The installation process may take a few moments, so be patient. After the app is installed, you can find it on your home screen or in the My Apps section. Click on the IPTV Smarters Pro icon to open the app. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials, which are provided by your IPTV service provider. Enter your username, password, and any other required information to set up the app. Once logged in, you can start streaming your favorite content, including live TV channels, movies, and shows. If IPTV Smarters Pro is not available in the App Store, you can also consider sideloading the app using a USB drive. Download the APK file of IPTV Smarters Pro from a trusted website on your computer, then transfer it to a USB drive. Connect the USB drive to your Samsung TV and use a File Manager app to locate the APK and install it. And that's it. You can now enjoy IPTV Smarters Pro on your Samsung Smart TV. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.